What I'm about to show you is absolutely insane. So this channel is only 5 months old and one of their videos already has over 9 million views. As if that's not crazy enough, this channel has uploaded only 28 videos, which are also doing really great by the way, and they are already at 128,000 subscribers. Like, that's insane. So the channel creates AI animated YouTube shorts, and it's not the only one getting success with this. Here's another channel doing the exact same thing, and their videos are also going viral. So in this video, I want to show you how to make these viral YouTube shorts using AI, and don't worry, it's actually really easy to do using the step-by-step process that I'm going to show you. So if you're new here, my name is Peris. Let's get started. So the tool that we shall be using is a really powerful AI video generator called Clipwise. You can use the link in the description to access it and sign up for an account. So Clipwise allows you to create really awesome videos with just a text prompt, and you can do this for all kinds of videos. Whether you want to create history videos, random facts, or even animated stories, you can be able to create all that using Clipwise. So the entire video generation process has 3 steps. First, you're going to input your idea and select your style. Second, you're going to customize and preview your video, and the last step is to download and share your video. You'll also have access to a full AI toolkit to make your videos viral. So you have the AI viral scripts, you have diverse visual themes as per your niche, you also have lifelike voiceovers and mood-based video effects to make your video more interesting. Now let me show you how to create the video. So once you're logged in, you have your AI video creator here, so you can select a language. I'll just go with English. You can also specify the length of your video, and now we can enter in our video idea or our prompt. This is my prompt: create a 60-second animated video that powerfully retells key moments from the life of King Solomon, featuring a narrator with a calm and inspiring tone. Okay, and your prompt could be anything. Next, we are going to select a visual theme. Click on view all. Yeah, so we have so many to choose from here, so we are going to filter them by mood or even style. So you can see we have relaxed, we have dark, we have happy, we have serious, so I could go with cinematic here. We also have style, so you could go with cartoon, art, animation, realistic, anime, and so on. I'll just go with realistic here, as we've chosen the cinematic one here. Okay, close out on that and click on generate. And now you can see here we have our prompt, we have the number of credits here, we also have the language we chose. Now we can select our voiceover. Yeah, so you can play some of them to hear what they sound like.
Actions give strength to ourselves and
you can click on view all to see many more. Then you can filter them by gender, listen to some of them and choose the one you like.
Life is like a sewer.
Good actions give strength to ourselves.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy.
You can also filter by tone. You have informative, conversational, deep. So let's see this deep one here.
We have committed the golden rule to memory.
I think I'm going to go with this one. You can also filter by age, accent, and even mood. So now we've chosen the voiceover that you're going to use. Next, we'll choose a video avatar. I'll use this one here. And now you can start to customize what you want your video to look like. So you can edit the images. If you don't like them, you can regenerate so that you have new images. You can even upload your own images. So we'll change this one here. I'll also regenerate this one. Yeah, I think that's okay. And this one too. If you need to add more scenes, you can click on add more, and you can be able to do that. Once you're done, click on next. And now we are almost at the final step. You can see our audio generation in progress.
In a grand palace, the wise King Solomon rules.
Yeah, once it's done, you can start customizing other aspects of your video. For example, we are now going to look for background music that we are going to use. We already have what the AI has picked, but we can look at others here. So click on view all. And you have some filters here. So you just click on any of the music that you like, and you're going to hear it playing in the video preview. Yeah, so I think I'll go with this one here. You can also decide whether you want the transition sound on or off. So we can just leave it on. You can also edit your caption style. You can change the font. I'll have this one and even the font color. Let me try red. Okay, let me see yellow again. I think I'll stick with yellow. So you can keep reviewing as you make changes. Once you're done, click on next, and now you have your final video being generated. We'll give it a few minutes to complete. Okay, now it's done. We can download it and have a look at the final video.
In a grand palace, the wise King Solomon rules, known for his unmatched wisdom and a heart that sought justice and peace. A dispute arises. 2 women claim the same child. Solomon's patience shines as he seeks the truth with a brilliant plan. With a swift decision, he calls for the sword. Cut the baby in half. Suddenly, the true mother reveals her love. Peace reigns. The mother's love prevails and Solomon's wisdom shines, reminding everyone that true love cannot be measured. In the end, wisdom is the heart of leadership. From Solomon's story we learn, love and truth conquer all.
Yeah, I think that looks awesome. Here's another video I made earlier using the same method.
Once upon a time, an epic war raged. The Greeks were tired of banging at Troy's gates. Then they had a wild idea, the Trojan horse.
They built a gigantic wooden horse to trick the Trojans. Loading it with their best guys, they pretended to leave in defeat. The Trojans, curious and foolish, brought the horse inside the city.
So Clipwise really creates quality videos and saves you time because you saw how fast that was. Now in terms of pricing, they have some awesome plans. You can have the starter plan and it lets you create 40 high quality videos per month. Then you have the creator plan and the business plan, and you can pay monthly for any of them. But if you're serious about creating this kind of viral content, then I would say that you go for the annual plan, because right now they have a limited time offer of 60% discount on the annual plan. And in this era of AI, it's important to find tools that you can count on to help you create awesome content, and I think this is one of them. So ensure you try it out. Leave me a comment about what you thought of the videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.